Today on Breakfast, Lunch, and Dinner Cooking, I'm going to teach you how to make homemade cranberry sauce for Thanksgiving. Easy peasy, easier than you could ever imagine. Okay, so I'm going to start out with a half of a cup of water and a half a cup of, nope, got that wrong, 3/4 cup of sugar, let me turn my pan so you can see what I'm doing. And then I'm going to take 1 cinnamon stick, a pinch of salt, just a little tiny bit of salt, and I am going to take, let's see if you can still see me here. I'm going to get a little bit of orange zest. I'm not going to put a lot because I don't want it to be bitter. Let me see if I can get this off with my brush. Just a little bit. I'm going to turn my okay, and now I'm going to cut my orange in half, and I'm going to get a half a cup of juice from it. Oh, you guys, I keep messing up here. All right, actually, I'm going to do it with the bigger cup and just do a half a cup. If I can get a half a cup out of this, I might not be able to. My gosh, I paid $1.69 for this one orange. I couldn't believe it. All right. Well, luckily, I do have some orange juice. So I'm going to get my orange juice out. Shake it up here a little bit. Oh, Sally. Okay. Here's my half a cup of part fresh and part not fresh. All right. So that was 3/4 cup sugar, a half a cup of orange juice, a half a cup of water. Now I've got, I'm going to stir this up. You can see my pan again. And get this all combined. And then I'm going to add almost all of my cranberries. I did go through these, but they're washed, and oh, I guess I didn't go through them good enough. So I'm going to do that. Thought I did. Well, I'm going to put these in slowly in case, oh, I'm dripping on my stove here. In case I get some that I don't like. My goodness, you guys. I guess you do have to go through them. They all look so fresh that I didn't think I had a problem, but those look pretty good. All right, so now what I'm going to do, oh my goodness, let me stir those up again. We'll go through them good, you guys. And I am going to bring these to a boil, and I am going to simmer them for about 10 minutes. And I will see what we got so far, and I will get back to you. Once it gets rolling boil, I'll get back to you. I wanted to tell you too, these cranberries actually start to pop in half, and it's kind of neat, and it's already smelling yummy. Just wanted to tell you that. I don't know if you can see this, but they're all like popping in half. And I'll get back to you. Turn these down to low now. They've only been cooking for about 5 minutes, but you can already see how it's turning into a sauce. And it's kind of cool. This has been about 10 minutes now, and the cranberries are really starting to turn into a nice little sauce. And I'm debating whether I'm going to put just a little bit of cornstarch in it, just so it's kind of almost like a cranberry jelly. I'm not sure. I'm going to let this go a little bit longer, and we'll see what we got. This is fun. I am really stirring this constantly because I don't want it to scald, and I've got it, I'm cooking it on like a 2. And I think it's actually gonna fit in this bowl, so I was gonna put it in a bigger bowl, but you know, cranberry sauce, not everybody takes it, but being homemade, something a little extra special. And I think we're getting close, but I'll be back. Okay, well, I have cooked this for about 15 minutes, and it looks just about right to me. And I don't need to thicken this at all. This is amazing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the cinnamon stick. I don't want anybody biting into that. And I'm gonna put it in my little bowl here. I don't know if you guys can see me, but it made just a nice size bowl, and it does not have to be thickened at all. It made its own nice sauce. I mean, it is amazing, you guys. I've never done this before. I've just looked at a bunch of recipes and I saw which one I liked the best, and look at that. Who knew? Beautiful homemade cranberry sauce in 15 minutes. I like it. And thank you so much. If I can get this thing up here. Come on. Thank you so much for watching my little video. That's going in the fridge, and we are going to be celebrating Friday. So it's Wednesday night, and hope you enjoyed it. And remember, there's nothing you can't do if you put your mind to it, even homemade cranberry sauce. And love the Lord with all your heart. Thank you so much for watching. Bye now. Now that I've got it in the bowl, they say to let it cool for 30 minutes and then put it in the fridge. And it's good for 3 days, probably more than that.